I welcome you all to the Learn with Romuald. So I will continue from the previous video, that is personality development video. So winners are different from losers. So hard work and consistency. So hard work is very necessary when we are starting up a work, and the consistency means the consistency of the progress should be well maintained. So it should not take time. So the time management should be there, and evenly hard work and time management should be there with the consistency, so that will give you a good work and with a good result. So never give up with attitude. So you should not start up with the work, and if there is any hurdles or any problems arised from the work, so any work if you take, there will be a problem, and there will be hurdles. So that we have to solve it, and we have to complete it in a consistency and consistency manner. So never give up attitude. Next one is about focus and determination. So when we are starting up a work, our focus should be there in what we are doing, and determination should be there. We have to know about A to Z in the work which we are doing, and complete that in a perfect manner. So that will help you to grow in your career. And then strategic planning and deliverance. So if a person is starting up project, so there should be a work plan. So how he is going to start up a work, and how the work progress will be there. So what are the things which is needed for the project completion. So all these things, and how we are going to do, and what is the time taken for each and every work assigned. So all these things should be very planned very well. So that strategic plan should be there for the timely deliverance. So here also time management plays a very important role in the whole completion of the project. And then self confidence. So when we are starting up a project, self confidence should be there. So without the confidence, it will be very difficult for you to complete up work. So self confidence should be there, and you should be very self aware of what we are going to do, and that progress should be in a well planned manner. And then about time management. So time management is one of the key point where for example, delay in time will affect the whole process or a whole project. So there are several projects are there. So each and every projects are time stipulated one. So that time management should be there. So how well our work could be, but the time management should be there. So we have to split up and work for the each and every process. So if there is around 10 to 12 process are there, so we have to split up the time, and we have to complete in the timely manner. So each and every task should be separated by different times, and it should be completed, and it should be handover on time. So that will also improve your career. And be practical. So when you are doing any process, be very practical, and then positive thinking. So there should not be any negative thinking or negative thoughts, so that will not give end up in a good result. So each and every time when we start up a project, so positive thinking should be there. So that will give you a very good result. So thank you all for be very patient in listening. Thank you once again.